Hey folks, this is Barbara Sproatmeyer. Looks like I have another box to open today. And I've been waiting for these for quite some time. Ordered them, had a little mistake with them, so I ended up ordering a replacement set, and now they have finally come. So what could be in here? These are from pens.com. And we have another box. A box within a box. Let's see if we can get this out. Looks like the tape is falling off, but we've got two boxes. And inside these boxes are pencils. So excited. Looks like, oh, that one's not doing too well. That one's about broken. But we have pencils with Sproatmeyer on them, and they are pre-sharpened, which is awesome. And fun thing about these is that they change colors. So let me see if I can warm them up and get them to change colors on me. There we go. So the purple turns to pink. The blue hasn't turned yet. Let's see if we can warm these up even more. The green turns kind of a yellow color, but most noticeable on the pink. Maybe if I was to hold it a little bit more. Yeah, that's noticeable. So the orange turns kind of a yellow. The purple turns pink. The blue, I haven't figured that one out yet. I'll just have to hold that one a little bit more. And the green, see if we can get those to warm up. They just turn a lighter color, so a lighter blue and a lighter green. But they have my brand name on it. Sproatmeyer.com.